Good morning, children. Today we shall learn about the birds and their nest. As we know, nest is the home of birds. We all live in a home. Like that, birds live in their nest. They build the nest during rainy season. They use the nest to lay eggs, to hatch eggs, to keep their young ones warm and protect them until they grow and fly. Birds build their nest on trees, ventilators, and old buildings. They use grass, hay, leaves, feathers, cotton to build their nest. Tailor birds make a beautiful nest. It uses a sharp beak as a needle. Tissues, leaves, thread, wool, and cotton. Woodpeckers make their nest in the tree trunk. The nest is lined to wooden chips. Owls build their nest in the hollow of a tree. Cuckoo does not make a nest at all. It lays eggs in the nest of a crow. The crow looks after its eggs and babies. Pigeon makes a nest in houses and trees. The nests are made up of grass, leaves, feathers, etc. Vultures use sticks to make their nest. Vultures' nest look like a cup high up on the trees. So now we know different types of nest. So dear children, never break birds' nest and disturb them and their babies. Thank you, children.